sign your art, because what I tell the kids is that I'll sign my name and then I will sell it for $1 million. And then they'll be so sad because it was really theirs. So then they sign their work. Hi everyone, it's Miss Kate.
And Miss Hazel.
Today is getting really close to spring. And so, what do I love most around springtime?
Oh my gosh, who knows, Miss Kate?
So many things, but today's going to be flowers. So I saw a painting online, and it doesn't actually belong to anyone. I think that it must belong to someone, but I think it's just some like mass-produced something or other, but it was actually really pretty and I liked it. So anyway,
also,
I thought,
sign
let's
your
do it.
art.
Sign your art, because what I tell the kids is that I'll sign my name and then I will sell it for $1 million. And then they'll be so sad because it was really theirs. So then they sign their work. Could you start with a piece of green paper? Yes, but I'm starting with a piece of white paper, and I'm going to paint it green and just have massive flowers everywhere.
Okay.
This is really an experiment. We hope that this actually looks good, because
I like the green you mixed.
I know, isn't it good?
Yeah.
I did not practice this. This was nothing that we have as a sample anywhere. So if it gets kind of, interesting.
We're all in, Miss Kate.
We're all
it's
in.
Art exploration with Miss Kate.
And, I just like to go for it sometimes and not really plan things out.
Really? People that know you would not even believe that for a minute.
No, they all think that I'm super organized. I've got everything mapped out in my life.
Oh my god.
No, I'm just kidding, because actually no one thinks that, I don't think. Okay, so now, again, so I did a pretty thin coat of paint on there, so mostly it'll be dry-ish when I get moving. I'm using an old paper plate that was kind of dusty, and it had a silverfish on it. Gross.
Ew.
Gross. So I wanted to have pretty free-form flowers.
Acrylic paint?
Acrylic paint, yeah. So you could use anything, really. You could use tempera, you could use watercolor. I'm using acrylic, because that's what I want to do. My inspiration had a lot of kind of roundish flowers, so I'm going to have to add some more paint over these, because the green's really going to show through. But it's sort of
Poppy-ish?
Poppy-ish, sure. It's just going to be sort of roundish.
I think you're just giving people permission to play with paint.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Some of them will be sort of tulip-ish.
Okay.
Okay, I'm going to add a little bit more green to get a darker.
Painting is just fun.
This one's very relaxing. If you're having, if you had a day, like you went to school and things didn't go really well, and you like to paint, you could pull out your paints and just paint something. And then you might feel better. Okay, I think I should just stop and
So
not
happy.
keep, because if I keep touching, I'm gonna not be happy with it.
Yeah.
So, spring painting,
Oh, it's very happy.
very fun. And then, if you wanted to, you could put it in a frame, if you had a frame, and then give it as a gift to someone in your family. Maybe something's coming up, like a birthday, or
First day of spring.
the first day of spring is coming up very soon. So you could do that then. For that, you can do whatever you want. Thanks, everyone. Glad to see you. We'll see you next time.
Bye, friends.
Bye.
Bye-bye.